Alright, there she is with the GoPro. Here goes 635.
Tower Southwest 127 on the visual, runway 1 left.
127, I'll take a shot number 1. Runway 1 left, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 1 left, Southwest 127.
6 Charlie Papa, connect departure, have a good one out there.
Tower Shade RL 459 with you on final 265 heavy in sight.
Southwest 2459 Las Vegas Tower, thank you, and caution wake coast on the heavy, wind 32019 at gust 30, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear 26 Southwest 2459.
Quarter 654, I'll take a shot number 1 right, slip and take off.
Takeoff 1 right.